Good morning, students. Today we will solve one more problem of your NCERT book. This is question number 9 of exercise 4.3. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each of the tap can separately fill the tank. Now this is a time and work type problem. Let will take the time taken by the smaller pipe of the to fill the tank separately in x hours, and so the time taken by the larger tap will be x minus 10. So it is given that it takes 10 hours less than to fill the tank, so the time taken by the larger tap will be x minus 10 hours. Now part of the tank filled by the larger pipe in 1 hour. Now if a pipe if a tank can fill it if a pipe can fill a tank in 3 hours, then in 1 hour it will fill the 1 by 3 part. In a similar way we can solve that the part of tank filled by the larger pipe in 1 hour, that is 1 upon x minus 10. In the similar way we have we can say that the part of tank filled by the smaller pipe in 1 hour, that is 1 upon x. Now it is given that together they can fill in the tank in 3 by 8 or you can say 75 by 8 hours. So we will form the equation 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. Now on solving this, we got the quadratic equation 8x square minus 230x plus 750. Now factorizing this, we got minus 200x minus 30x is equal plus 750 is equal to 0. Factors, we got x minus 25 and 8x plus 30. X is equal to 25 and x is equal to minus 30 by 8. Now minus 30 by 8 we cannot take since the time is in negative, so we will take x is equal to 25. So time taken by the smaller tab is 25 hours and time taken by the larger tab will be 25 minus 10, that is 15 hours. Now we have one more problem regarding this type of question. We have question number 11th of quadratic equation chapter. Now sum of the area of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Now we'll take this side of the square are x and y meter respectively. The first the larger square has x meter side and the smaller one have y meter. Therefore also it is since the x and y are the sides of the squares, so 4x will be the perimeter of the first square and the 4y will be the perimeter of the second square. Also the area of the square will be x square and y square. Now it is given that the difference of their perimeters is 4x minus 4y, it is equal to 24. Now on solving this, we got x minus y is equal to 6 or x is equal to y plus 6. We are using substitution so that we have to convert one variable into another. Now it is also given that the sum of the area is 468. Now first area of first square is x square and area of second square is y square, so sum of there is 468. Now putting the value of x back so that the quadratic equation can be formed, so we got this y square plus 36, y plus 6 in place of, we put it y plus 6 in place of x, that is square plus y square is equal to 468. On solving this, we got a quadratic equation y square plus 6y minus 216. Solving this, we got y plus 12, y minus 12 and y plus 18 as two factors. Y is equal to 12 and y is equal to minus 18. Minus 18 we cannot take since the square side cannot be negative, or you can say that we cannot consider it as negative. So y is equal to 12, so the side of the second square will be 12 plus 6, 18. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this.